guys, today I'm about to be doing a pancake and a hot dog. So guys, stay tuned for my video. Make sure you watch this to the end because it's going to be interesting. I'm going to be showing you all how to make a pancake, how I make my own pancake, and how I add a hot dog to it. So guys, stay tuned for this video. Make sure you watch till the end and help a subscriber, help a YouTuber like me to grow. Please, I'm begging you all, please, if you're watching this video, please kindly hit that subscribe button, please guys. I want to be devoted. I want to do this video for you all. I want to be happy. As you all know my name is Okoye Praise God, aka you can call me Praise Bay. So guys, I'm just going to be making pancake and I'm going to be adding up hot dog to it. So stay tuned, watch the full video so you can know how I came about the hot dog on my pancake. Like, it sounds somehow, right? But don't worry, watch it. It's when you watch it you know what's going on. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends and family so that they can also know how they can make their pancake and hot dog from my style. So guys, you all know you can use pancake for breakfast. You all know you can use pancake for like an what do they even call it? You can use your pancake for like your appetizer, you know, before you can start your main dish. Yeah, so you can just take your pancake and use it to hold up your belly when your belly is crying. Say, oh please, I want to eat, please. You can use the appetizer to hold it up and say, come on, shut up, let me do my work. You know, understand? So guys, stay tuned for the full video. Make sure you watch the full video so that, and please do not forget to give your baby girl a subscribe. Like, I'm just booming up. Please guys, help me to get to 1,000 subscribers. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Please guys, I love you all so much. If you're watching this, please guys, help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Bye. I love you all. Stay blessed and do not forget God loves you. So guys, bye. I'll catch you up in my next video. Stay tuned for my next video, which is how you can make your lip gloss. So stay tuned. So guys, firstly, I'd like to introduce my ingredients to you. So this is my flour. Yes, this is my flour. This is my milk, my powdered milk, and also my milk flavor. Then this is my baking powder. Yes, my baking powder. I already brought out everything. This is my salt. Like I said, I'm not going to be using sugar because I don't really like sugar. And this is my egg. So I'm using only one egg because of my flour, the quantity of my flour. So it depends on the quantity of what you're using. Now I already measured all this. My flour is half cup. My flour is half cup of flour. So, and I'm also using 1/4 cup of milk extract and milk mixed together, powdered, and my half teaspoon of my baking powder, and my 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yes, and this is my little chopped pepper. I don't really like pepper, so I chopped just a little so you guys can see. So I chopped a little bit pepper, and this is my one big egg. Then this is my hot dog. I already chopped all those there. Then my plain water. Yes, my lukewarm water. So now let's get into mixing. So how do you mix? You start from your dried ingredients. Yes, you start from your powdered ingredient first to your moist ingredients, then to your watery ingredients, then to your solid. So let's move on. Then this is my solid. So let's move on. I'll first start my flour. So I'll just pour in my flour. As you can see, this is already washed. I already washed my hands. Yes, hygiene matters. So I'll just pour in my flour in there. Then taking my milk extract, milk flavor. I don't know what's wrong with me and this milk flavor. So just getting my milk flavor in there, then my baking powder and my salt to taste. So do not forget. So I already measured all mine. So then I'll just turn this, stir. Yes, let's stir. So after that, I'll now go in with my egg. Oh my goodness. How do I break this now? So just in there. Woo! Then after that, I'm going to be mixing this now. So as I'm mixing, I'm adding my water. And remember, you want your pancake to be not that watery, but it's going to be like watery, not that watery. So then I'll start mixing it with my palms. I don't know how to use spoon or all those things, so I use my palms. I use what I know how to use. So now my mixing starts. You're a baby, you're a kid, you can try this at home because it's very, very nutritious and sweet. Yes, I mostly use this for my breakfast or my desserts. Yes, I use this for my breakfast. Early in the morning when I just wake up, I just grab my mixture, mix it up, make my pancake and my tea, take that and I'm off. Or I can take it as a dessert before my main dish arrives. Yes. So you can see that the quantity is small because I'm the only one taking it, so I made this little quantity. So now, as you can see, it's going. So let's go on with my water. Like I said, the water should be as desired, so your hands will do the talking by the time it's in there. So now I'm going to be adding my pepper. And I'll mix it up. So with this, I think I'm just going to be making like two pieces of pancake. I think so. Oh, my water is splashing on the floor. You see, it's not even hard to make. Very easy. Very, very easy. If you're tired and you just want to make something and eat, you can go with your pancake. But if the flour is not around you, I don't know, but I like keeping flour in my house because of any time I need to make anything like puff, pancakes, chin, so it's easy for me. So now, don't be thinking I'm going to add my hot dog in there. No. Yeah, we're gonna get to the stage where the hot dog comes in. So let's now go heat up our frying pan. And you know, for a pancake you shallow fry. So I'll catch you guys when I get my pan ready. So let's go. So now I'm heating my pan so that my oil will be heated for some time. Then I'll start distributing. As you can see, the oil is heating right now, so I will start taking in my pancake in. So I said I'll be making only two, so I'm going to know how I'm going to make it to the two. So as it's frying now, you see there'll be some bubbles in it. So as you can see, it already looks as if it's already going. So we're going to turn it up. See the brownish color. Don't worry about the brownish color. I like it this way. And you know, some of you are going to be like, it burnt. Oh, it burnt. No, it didn't burn for me. So that is okay. So I will lower down my heat. So now it's time for the second one. I said I was going to be making just 2. So now I'm going to be flipping. You see the excess is now frying. Flip it there. So the 2 wraps I asked for is now ready. Let's go. So now this is where the hot dog comes in. So now I'm going to be adding up my hot dogs in there little by little. I love hot dog. I love hot dogs. Like, I don't know if anything I'm cooking, I love my hot dog there. Not that I eat it a lot though, but some type of food, for example, my pancake, my indomies, my pasta, I love my hot dog in there. Even my rice, I love my hot dog. So I'll allow this to fry for some time. So now it's ready. I'll lay it down. So the dish is ready. The pancake and the hot dog is ready. So now let's go ahead and see what we've done so far. I don't know if you guys have tried this with hot dog, but let's just see. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take more than 1 hot dog first. Who said this is not good? Oh my goodness. You guys are missing something. I wish you guys are here with me. And I didn't even put sugar in this, so you see, too much of sugar is not good. I didn't put sugar, and this is still sweet like this. I'm serious, guys. You guys need to come and check this out. Like, go try it. If possible, use my measuring. Try it in your houses. Oh my goodness, this is sweet. I'm serious. This is, oh god. I wish you guys are here with me. Let me start taking it big now, because I can't wait. No, let me not take it big. If I take it big now, to finish fast. Okay, don't worry. I need to enjoy this very well now, so I'll catch you guys later. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification so that you can get more videos on my channel. What am I even saying? So that you can get more of my videos. sure you try this today or tomorrow. This is very, very perfect. Like, oh my god. Don't worry. I'm bringing more cooking for you. I've even almost finished it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Are you guys still waiting? Me, I'm enjoying my own dish here. I don't know whether you guys are enjoying yours. Go now and try pancake and hot dog. You see the difference? It's very clear. Make sure you eat it together. And if you can try, don't put sugar in your pancake, so you see the outcome. It's not everything that sugar enters that is very sweet. So guys, if you know you still waited for this part, please, that means you enjoyed it. I don't know, but I think you enjoyed it. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be uploading more videos that you can enjoy. Videos like this where I'm going to cook nice dishes for you all. Videos like where I'm going to be making my routines. So do not forget to go subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll catch you tomorrow. So let me go enjoy my The pepper is even sounding like I don't even want to turn off the camera again. I'm enjoying this. How come I'm eating this beautiful dish without a drink? Like, oh my goodness. Guys, bye bye. Let me go get myself a chilled drink so that I can enjoy this more. Bye. Do not forget to subscribe.